hey, don't be so busy working that you don't have time, to get wealthy. And I just want to mention this for anybody listening. Like I hear this mindset all the time. I've experienced it myself, where I get wrapped up in what I'm doing, right? And you get into these grooves in life where you're like, okay, life's not that bad. It can be, I can do this, right? And so you just keep doing the same things over and over and over again. And you forget there's a whole lot more out there for you if you want it and you want to go get it, right? And one of the best things about not having to worry about money, like being financially free, being financially independent, right? Having your expenses covered, whether you stop working or keep working or whatever, is not the fact that you can go sit on the beach and drink mai tais, right? Like that's the dream that's
Yep.
sold, right? And that's great. And I love. Listen, I'm a beach bum. We go to the beach once a week here, at least, right? And so I love the beach. However, that gets old, right? That does get old. At least doing that every single day, and that's all you do, right? But one of the best things that being financially independent can give you is having space to think beyond what you can when you're in that normal everyday grind. You're doing your 9 to 5, you're worrying about paying the bills, you're worrying about I mean, this is why I'm so passionate about helping people achieve that financial freedom. Happens to be a vehicle of laundromats because that's what I know. I really don't care what the vehicle is, right? I really don't for you. I don't care what the vehicle is. I think laundromats are a great vehicle to get to that financial freedom number quicker than most other vehicles. However, whatever the vehicle is, you've got to get there, not so you can sit on the beach, maybe so you can sit on the beach for a little bit and enjoy that and just relax because you've worked so hard, but also so you can have that space to dream about this bigger life, right? Because, not only, can you take a strategy like this and, build a bigger portfolio and grab more cash flow and build, equity, but then you can go around and you can start saying, "Hey, I have all this access to capital. I have all this equity. I have this, insurance policy. What more can I do to actually help other people? What more can I do to impact this life? What more can I do to set my future generations up?" Like your mind starts to open up on things that you didn't have space for beforehand,